morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Rajan Kumar Srivastav. Welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel, Paramount English Study with Rajan Sir. Friends, I have given you 2 videos and you have appreciated well. Thanks for that. Friends, you have demanded here for new videos, more videos. So I have brought here a new topic for you once again. Friends, watch my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you may receive my notification to all of you first. Friends, today I have brought topic here. What critics say about Shakespeare. That is very important topic. In many exams you have seen all types questions have been asked by UPPSC or MSESSP. So friends, let's go to our topic today. So friends, now let's see what critics say about Shakespeare. This is very important. You must find any question in your exam. फर्स्ट है एन अपस्टार्ट क्रो, बहुत ही फेमस है ये कोटेशन, इसको रॉबर्ट ग्रीनी ने लिखा है. नेक्स्ट है द सोल ऑफ द एज, इसको बेन जॉनसन ने लिखा है. द वंडर ऑफ आवर स्टेज, इसको भी बेन जॉनसन ने लिखा है. नॉट ऑफ एन एज बट फॉर ऑल टाइम, it is also quoted by Ben Jonson. Sweetest Shakespeare, Fancy's Child, that is very famous in English literature also, quoted by John Milton. Next is I admire him. Admire him. Him means him refers to Ben Jonson. But I love Shakespeare. It is quoted by John Dryden. It is also very important. Dear son of memory, great hero of fame. It is also quoted by John Milton. It is also very important. Next is others abide our questions, thou art free. All of you must know it about. It is quoted by Matthew Arnold. In several exams this quotation has been asked. Next is our minded Shakespeare. It also has been asked in exam. It is quoted by S.T. Coleridge. Next, Shakespeare has no heroes but only heroines. It is also quoted. It is quoted by John Ruskin. It is also important. 11 number. He is a universal poet. He means here refers to William Shakespeare. It means Shakespeare is a universal poet. It is quoted by W.J. Long. Next, I do not remember that any book or person or event in my life ever made so great an impression upon me as the plays of Shakespeare. It is quoted by Goethe. Next is whenever I am asked, who is the playwright who has influenced you the most? I say Shakespeare. It is quoted by Chris Gurnald. Next, Mellifluous Shakespeare. It is quoted by Thomas Hayhood. Next is there is more in Shakespeare's intellect that we have yet seen. It is what I call an unconscious intellect. It is quoted by Thomas Carlyle. Next, Indian Empire or no Indian Empire. We cannot do without Shakespeare. It is also quoted by Thomas Carlyle. Next quotation is also very famous. With this key, Shakespeare unlocked his heart. Quoted by William Wordsworth. You have studied many times. Quotation number 18. Hoity-toity, I street to explore. Your house is in the exception with this same key. Actually, here exam is confused. With this same key here. And one quotation you had found with this key only. Here, with this same key, Shakespeare unlocked his heart once more. Did Shakespeare? If so, the less Shakespeare, he. It is quoted by Robert Browning in House. Next is a drunkard savage with some imagination. It is quoted by Charlton. And last, when I read Shakespeare, I am struck with wonder that such trivial people should muse and thunder in such lovely language. It is quoted by D.H. Lawrence. So, I have given here 20 quotations. So, you will study it and you will find minimum 1 or 2 quotations in your each exam. So friends, I have given you here very valuable lesson. What critics say about Shakespeare. You must study it. I would request all of you also should prepare your notes day by day. I hope that you will do your best and you will succeed in your exam. Friends, मैं यह बात फिर कहूँगा, अगले वीडियो में, पिछले वीडियो में भी मैंने बताया था कि वर्क हमें करना चाहिए, वर्क पर ही हमारा अधिकार है। परिणाम क्या होता है नहीं जानते हैं। महाभारत में, गीता में भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी ने यही उपदेश दिया था कि कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन। वी आर अथराइज्ड हियर टू डू आवर टास्क. वी आर नॉट अथराइज्ड. We are not authorized to decide our own fate. So, fate should be left upon the will of God, and we should our attempt continuously. We should not leave everything on our fate and destiny. भाग्य के भरोसे क्या क्या छोड़ दूं, अपनी तमन्नाओं का गला खुद कैसे घोट दूं, मैं भी हूँ मुसाफिर इसी राह का, हमने भी दिया है इम्तिहान हर राह पे, अब तुम ही बताओ मैं अपनी मंजिल कैसे छोड़ दूँ. With these words, I end my video today. I hope that you like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks to all of you.